Yes. Ayo. Sheba, hola metlal. Ba fethu. O itse nna ke ne ke re instead of us complaining Bafana Fana dead, why don't we make Bafana Fana selection like the Carling Black Label knockout? Everyone has to choose who want to play, whatever the formation and stuff, and then the coach of Bafana Fan will be there just because there must be a coach. But the people of South Africa nationally, they can choose which player must go to the World Cup, so that when we lose, everyone knows that it is not Bafana fault, it is our fault. We chose those we chose. No one will moan. Away.